Hi guys, and welcome to another vlog of Toulon's to USA.
And where are we?
Today we're at the Blue Ridge Trail.
Waterfall Trail or something.
Blue Ridge Waterfall Trail in Killington in Vermont.
Today we have a visitor. Hey, who's there?
That's Mao, my thunder buddy. Hey Mao, say hi to the people. Hi. Oh.
The next day.
What's going on here?
Destroying the van.
Oh, the carpet is coming out. Replace it for something else, like rubber mats.
This is nasty.
Yeah, it's hard to clean the carpet every time. So ripping out the chairs, putting something else in there. Carry on, as you were.
Oh, okay. And here's the ugly carpet. Ew. Now I'm gonna use the carpet as a template for the rubber mats.
Stay up to date with our videos by subscribing and tapping the bell icon.
And we're back at Silver Lake / Lana Falls. We were here a year ago, but it was in October or November, well, in the middle of the winter. So now we're back and it's August 30th, so should be better now.
Yeah, and it was funny because there was a stairs full of ice and we did take a doormat from our car and we did slide down the stairs, but that's not possible today. But today probably the waterfalls are not frozen. And he's gone.
So you wanna be a cholo, but you're white as fuck. You gotta hit me up to brown your ass up.
You got to beat my lady.
Yeah, homie, loco, gato, ese.
You got to ride.